Let's do this again. What?
That's my guy, he won't let you go by far. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now, yeah.
Wow. Whew. You know what? Let's take that video again. Whew. Let's take it. Let's do this again. Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jessica Chidiak and you are welcome to Plugged In with Christ. I am super elated to have you guys on here. So on this episode, you're welcome. It is a giveaway. Ta-da! For you guys, because well, I love you guys so much and anything to make you guys happy. Yeah. So without any further ado, let me introduce you to these babies. A limited edition Plugged In with Christ Christian Journal 2021 in this cool color blue. Yeah, take a good look at this baby. And yes, I'm gonna take out the box and then there you have it, this beautiful, yes. And then you have this pen in there also, and then we have another color, yes, for my ladies. Of course I didn't leave you guys out, in this beautiful color pink. And yeah, same thing, this is the book, and we have a beautiful pen as well in this box. And also in this luxury black matte color. Yes. Ooh, I love this. I really do. Whew. Yeah. And then and this beautiful pen as well. Now, this is what we've all been waiting for. What can we do to win one of these beautiful journals? Lest I forget. And we have this beautiful sticky notes where you're gonna write all your favorite memory verses, the arrows showing the highs and lows. I mean, you can get creative with this. And yes, lest I forget, these gift cards and a beautiful message as well in there for my lucky winners. Now what do? All you have to do is just comment down below letting us know how much journaling has helped you as a Christian, and also just let us know 2 benefits of journaling that you got from my previous video. I'm gonna put the link either here or there. I think, yeah, there. All you have to do is just tell us how much journaling has helped you, and 2, give me 2 benefits of journaling that I stated in my previous video. And not forgetting my new subscribers. For my first 20 subscribers, yeah, you also stand a chance of winning these beautiful journals. Yes. So do not forget to like and subscribe, and also do not forget to turn on the notification button so you'll be alerted whenever we post a video, so you wouldn't miss such episodes as these. I know you guys love this. I love it as well. So you guys stay in touch, stay tuned, and also don't forget to send me a message on pluggedinwithchrist@gmail.com on, you know, comments, views, questions, whatever. Just stay in touch. Take care. Bye.
That's my guy, he won't let you go by far. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now, yeah.